I'm going to start layering my 8 pieces of Filo. And the way that we want to go about this is essentially creating a layer on each side that can then wrap over the custard. So you see how I layered it with this longer piece over the side there? That's exactly what we want to do. So now I want to lightly brush this layer with olive oil. Okay, now we're ready for our second layer. And again, you can see that I've laid it so that the edge is hanging over one side of my tin. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You just kind of want to roughly coat it with the butter. Okay, that's number 2 done. Now we want to do this 7 more times. And now we're up to our final layer. So that goes on top like that. Again, brush it with a little bit of butter. I feel like that is the absolute theme of the day. Just a little bit of butter. Tuck the edges in. That looks absolutely beautiful. So now I just score the top and then it can go in the oven.